Hiya, it's me, Padhopper, and I just got an order from Amazon. It's the happiest day in the world, so I want to open it. Haven't opened it, but I want to open it in front of you guys so that I can show it off. This is a day planner that I ordered. I keep seeing people do bullet journaling, and I thought, hey, that looks kind of cool. So I ordered a day planner from Amazon, and I'll post a link in the description from where I got it. But here we go. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I can't prop my... Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look how pretty it is. I love it. I love the green. How am I gonna... It is this one. Can you see that? Labon's binder, 6 round rings, green. Let's get into this bad boy. So there was this protective envelope over it, and it's like a box. How you would find your gift cards boxed, that's what it looks like. Nice sturdy box. I like the box, actually. I could use that for a million things. Some protective cover. What is this? Like a cloth muslin sleeve of some sort. Don't know what that's for. We'll find out, won't we? And here's the top of the box. Let me set the box down here. I was having trouble sitting in my normal spot that I normally do for show and tell videos because I have osteoarthritis in my knee, and I couldn't get down that low today. So I'm holding the camera with one hand because I can't prop it up in my normal spot and sit in my normal spot. So it's a 6-ring binder, and that's what I was looking for, because when I go on Etsy and I see all these fun refills that people make, they're all of the 6-ring kind. I love the slots. You put different cards and whatnots in there. Oh! They gave me a pen too. Nice. Where's the pen go? Oh, look, there's a pen holder. My pet peeve is when the pen holder thingy doesn't work. And it will, it's just that you need 2 hands for it. So let's not do that. Oh, and it came with little sheets. Okay. Nice. It's got a calendar. I wonder if it's English. Yep, there's some English. It's got, oh, nice. It's got a nice monthly schedule, although the majority of it looks Asian, Japanese, Chinese, Asian. I hope I'm not offending anybody by saying that. I don't know. But I do see English, so that's good. And a side to write little notes. Good. So it goes for that. You get a few pages of that, of the month. And then the weekly schedule. Oh, I like this. Look, you can write your goals for the week. This is English. Nice. I might just use this English part. You get quite a few pages of those. I like that it's not white. It's kind of off-white, like a creamy color. I like that. It's got lots of room to do like little doodles and add little stickers for fancy little bullet journal. Yeah, I'm gonna like this. Oh, and look, there's some roll paper so that I can write notes. That'll come in handy if I'm ever thinking of a pattern or something. And little blank sheets, if you ever want to sketch something, something comes to you, you want to scribble it down real quick. Perfect. And an address book. Address books are so important. I still use them. Even though everything's in my phone, I do still use an address book. I'm old school. How about you? Are you old school? Oh, and a little pouch. I like it. This will hold like business cards or what have you, or stickers for your bullet journal. I am liking this very, very much. When I'm on Amazon, I won't buy anything that isn't reviewed by someone else. So this had some stars, so that's why I bought it. And I ordered it when? Thursday, I think, and it was due yesterday, but we had a Easter holiday and then we're getting bad weather, so it didn't come till today. But I'm pleased. I will definitely give this seller some positive feedback. And I got something else today too I want to show you. I got yarn to show you, and I don't even know what it is. Do you know why I don't know what it is? Because I didn't pick it out. I ordered my groceries. I have a shopping service that does groceries. Because of the aforementioned osteoarthritis, I have a hard time getting around, and it's miserable weather. So a lot of times I'll just order through a grocery delivery service. It's a privately owned company here in my city, and I'll leave a link in the description if anybody's watching local. They can use him. It's the grocery guy that I use. And my shopper today was named Donna, so props to her, because I just wrote on my list that I wanted Bernat handicraft cotton yarn. Pick me out some three different colors, and this is what she got. I love them. They're awesome. Bernat Handicrafter cotton in hot orange. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to make dishcloths because my dishcloths are all ratty. So it didn't really matter the color she picked out because I was only going to make dishcloths. Oh, I like this color. It's a nice turquoise. I hope it shows up on the camera. Colors sometimes have a hard time showing up. And this is called Mod Blue. It's like a bright turquoise color. I'm liking it, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. Oh, look at this color. Nice hot pink. Love it, love it, I love it. And this color on the label is actually referred to as hot pink. Amazing that they named the yarn exactly what it is. They don't often do that, do they? This is Yarnspiration Bernat Handicrafter cotton, and I'm going to make some dishcloths. There's the ball information. There's the hook information. There's the size. And I think it was $1.97 each. Here they are. I am happy with those, and I'm happy to share them with you. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting!